I bought a couple of these Mokose C100 cameras, and I'm using one of them to video this. And they are difficult to focus, I found, which I already read. It's very finicky, and still having troubles with the lighting in here. I'm not using their internal microphone. I did notice something when they've got a cable, a long cable. When I plugged it into my USB 3 hub, it actually ran the wrong way around. It may be slightly inaccurate, so be careful with that. Got stuff on the floor, so I've got another manual. What I noticed when so they're packed with that a bit loose, so probably hasn't done any damage. It's worth noting. That does some focus. But they're quite solid. I mean, the lens is not expensive. It feels okay, but it's not amazing. It definitely works. Trying to keep in view on the monitor. The sensor. Is that visible? Maybe the lighting, I can get it the right reflection. I think it's bigger than a mobile phone one. It's not huge, but I'm not getting any. I mean, someone I saw, they got the curved edges. I think that's possibly if they don't use the C to CS adapter, maybe, because I think, yeah, that would cause it to have a problem. There's a remote and a power supply with an American. That was a bit annoying. I was warned, I think. Can I use that in Australia? Yes. I just need to get an adapter. That's fine. Remote, I haven't tried. Let's get rid of this. I did notice it rattles, but it's just the buttons. I've noticed something in the manual though, which worried me, which is not going to show very easily. It says unable to record video. USB connection computer can't record video through the camera's TF card. HDMI mode can record video to TF card only. I'm not sure if that means that you can switch it to record or it just won't record. Why is there a mark on the lens? There's a mark on the lens. Someone's touched it. No, I better not touch it. Needs some lens cleaner. But yeah, if I show how finicky it is, if I can put my hand, it's very difficult to focus. So I'm using the exact same setup. Oh, very tricky. It's darken it. You can read the text. If I make it even closer. Oh, wrong. Now if I get it a bit grainy, they won't be able to see that there's a mark on there. It does feel it's a very thick box, and because it's square, touch the can. I can use this to level it. It's a bit bright. So if I want to try, I'm just getting myself organized here. One of the main reasons is to take pictures of this, the equipment, test equipment. So if I can get this okay, which one's which? It's tricky. Whoops. It's good. It's not perfect. So if you drop the brightness, the aperture, make the aperture smaller. Here's my trick here. Let's use this. Okay, still trying. Okay. So I'm going to try see if how easy it is to get it level. You can do it. It's all right. You can see that it's sorry. Oh, a bit noisy because it's somehow it because then it's not getting the color. Like the letters on the multimeter is showing yellow. Oh, that's better. Yeah, I just need to. That's weird. When it's out of focus, it's yellow. It's better a little bit. But yeah, it's difficult because it's part of this is a problem with my still on it. It's not quite level. It's really tricky. That's the part. That's the problem with I've got. I think I can get the best. That's sort of working. So I'll try something else. It's rough. Yeah, it's trouble is where you put. It's not too bad. I mean, that's a lot better than I was able to do previously. It's pretty fast as well. So this, I mean, this is on. I don't know whether apparently it's not USB 3. They're not. Let's see. And I did, which I'm not using yet. I did buy another adapter for the computer to plug into the PCIe bus, which has got a lot of USB 3.2 ports on it. But it probably that may work better. Just thought I'd try a few more experiments, kind of random, trying to make something that might be useful. I'm quite. I got to remember to talk into the microphone. I'm quite pleased with it. When I look at the play the video back, I mean, the lighting in here is not that good, and it's still not that grainy. So so this is it. The camera is 30 centimeters away. And that's about it. far, far focus. Now if I zoom right in, and then focus, it's pretty good. It does. Yeah, I'm going to have to see about. There is a a very slight delay. It's not bad. And I'm testing it with the sort of things that I would want to use the camera for. So circuits. So how much depth of field. So that I've shut the aperture down because it's sensitive enough to get good lighting. The other thing I wanted to try, see if I can light this. Yeah, because when I tried this with the phone camera, I think partly I didn't, because in auto the LEDs affected the light sensing too much. That's good. That'll work, I think. The colors. I mean, I think I'm just defaulted on everything. All the settings are defaults. That's pretty good. I want to zoom out. It's bright. Yeah, too bright. Whoa. It won't. That's good, I think. So if I turn that off. Yep. Okay. What else is interesting to look at? It's almost a bit. I shut the aperture. Okay, there I can't focus. So at the smallest zoom, I can't focus at that distance. The biggest zoom, probably have to play with this a bit. Oops. It's pretty cool. Slight delays. What else is... Works okay. I want to try just quickly to get a better picture of the oscilloscope because I wasn't happy. It's okay. Still, I don't like it. So I bump the brightness if I so aperture, now it's getting blurry. Well, this is, I think I might leave it here. So this is just me familiarizing myself with it, really. Not sure how successful that is. It's one of the things I needed to do is to watch the oscilloscope, watch the instruments. It's sort of good, but it's not as good as I'd want it. Anyway, I might leave this at RAM. I've rambled on a bit, but so yeah, the Mokose C100, it's pretty good. I need to do a bit more testing. I haven't tried to take myself or anything other than the electronics here, really, and other junk in the office. So I'll probably make more videos just as I get used to it. Anyway, thanks for watching.